And the race is on. Isko. Pass to begin, running by the rally Shamo Familia. Danori inside King Berhard, rushing up Superstitious. Blair Bottoms is racing in fifth by Sam Tulay Star. Let's hits Get the Look. And Dragon May is running at the tail of the field. Isko, Shamo Familia. In between runners is Superstitious and racing forward by some 5 lines King Berhard. Blair Bottoms is running in fifth by some 2 lengths. Inside the last 600, Isko by some 2 lengths Shamo Familia. Superstitious is racing forward from the outside and getting closer in fourth. Number 1, King Berhard, Blair Bottoms, Tara Let's Dragon May, and he's got the look. He's running at the tail of the field. As they race the final corner, Isko. Shamo Familia is racing from the outside. King Berhard, Superstitious, Tara Let's Blair Bottoms. And nearing the finish line, Isko. Back to 2 lengths lead, Shamo Familia. And nearing the last 100 meters more to run, Isko, the favorite, the icebreaker. And finally, Isko, number 8. Second, Shamo Familia, Tara Let's, King Berhard, Blair Bottoms, Dragon May, Superstitious, and he's got the look. Comes